It's autumn in Rome. So, what should I wear? How should I dress? Jeans, cotton pants, a cardigan, a denim jacket, a heavier jacket? What if it rains?
I just wanna be happy, happy with me.
When you're in Rome in autumn, this is what you ask yourselves on a regular basis, because the weather can change so much throughout fall and even on any given day during fall. In today's video, I'm going to go over with you exactly what you should pack when you visit Rome in fall, what to wear and how to dress. So let's go. As you probably know, fall technically starts the third week of September and ends the third week of December. Yeah, I know, fall goes all the way up through right before Christmas. It's a little hard to grasp. Regardless, what you pack for Rome and how you will dress when you're in Rome will depend on which part of autumn you are coming. Fall, like spring, is one of those seasons where the weather can change quite a lot throughout the season and even on any given day. So let's talk about how to pack and what to wear when you visit Rome in the beginning, middle, and end of autumn.
She was sweet and she was strong.
Most of September is actually summer. But either way, if you visit Rome in September, you can expect really summery weather throughout the month of September, even at the very end, which is the beginning of fall. This is true even for the beginning of October. In fact, October in Rome is usually much warmer than people expect. Which is not to say that October does not have some chilly, even temperamental days. We do get some rain in October, we can have some chillier days, but you're really never going to find it so cold that you need really heavy jackets or boots. Going back over my photos over the years of living in Rome, I can tell you that I have never once seen myself in boots in the month of October. I've never once worn a very heavy jacket. People tend to bring them because they expect that October is going to be this chilly fall month, but don't overpack by bringing things that are too heavy when you visit Rome in October. By the way, I have videos about coming to Rome in every single month, so you might want to check out my videos about visiting Rome in September, Rome in October, Rome in November, and Rome in December. I also have videos about what to pack for every other season in Rome as well. So October just is really not as chilly as you might think, but the weather is absolutely beautiful. It's usually warm and comfortable during the day, cool enough at night that you might need a cardigan or a denim jacket, maybe a scarf, but very, very comfortable for sightseeing and still eating outside. And this is why the end of September and most of October, meaning the beginning of fall, is the most popular time to visit Rome. It is peak season. People always seem shocked when I tell them this. Why is it so busy in Rome these months? I'm telling you why, because the weather is absolutely beautiful. So, if you decide to visit Rome in September and October, prepare for crowds. Also prepare for fairly mild weather, but be prepared to layer. When you're visiting Rome in October, you're going to want to bring a few light long sleeve shirts, maybe a denim jacket, a cardigan, definitely a scarf. In early fall, like October, you're going to want to have a lightweight cardigan and a lightweight scarf. And you can put a denim jacket over the cotton cardigan and your scarf. This is a great way to layer when you're visiting Rome in autumn. A leather jacket is another great accessory to bring with you when you visit Rome in autumn, in particular the middle of autumn. Again, you can layer it on top of a light cotton top and a cotton cardigan. So should you bring a denim jacket and a leather jacket? This is really up to you. A leather jacket is going to be a little bit heavier and give you a little bit more warmth than a denim jacket. So a denim jacket is really perfect for September and October, whereas the leather jacket is probably better for the end of October going through November. Of course, if you're like Alessandro, you would just bring both. Probably my favorite accessory in fall is my Barber jacket. I just love this jacket. It is completely waterproof. It's lined and warm, and when I zip it up, it really keeps me warm because it is completely waterproof, so it truly keeps out the cold. course, it doesn't have to be Barber. Any waxed jacket will do, but this is a great jacket to bring with you when you visit Rome in fall, in particular the second half of fall, meaning most of November and the beginning of December. As you get to the end of fall, the very end of November, beginning of December, you are going to start to feel pretty wintry temperatures. If you're visiting Rome in the second half of autumn, late November, early December, you are definitely going to be wanting to dress for cooler weather. We get more rain this time of year, so as you can see, I have on a rain jacket. Underneath, I have this layer of kiwi, which is a kind of a puffy shell. Keeps me warm. I have a backpack with me, and this is perfect, so I can toss in there an umbrella, which I have with me right now. I have this waterproof jacket, which has a hood, which is great for these rainy days. Right now it's not raining, but it rained before and it's probably going to rain again. So you want to be prepared for some rainy days when you visit Rome in autumn. You should definitely bring something for the rain when you visit Rome in fall. I love my kiwi jacket because it is reversible. Also, don't forget to bring with you waterproof shoes. You guys, I wear these waterproof shoes. They're super comfortable, they're super walkable, and I can wear them all around Rome, and they are 100% waterproof. Another great thing to bring with you when you visit Rome in fall is a rain hat. It weighs nothing, it takes up no room, so bring that rain hat. You'll be glad you had it with you when it starts to rain. Obviously, another great thing to bring with you when you visit Rome in fall is a good travel umbrella. So besides clothing, what about shoes? In the beginning of fall, as I mentioned, the end of September, most of October, you can wear light closed-toed shoes. You may even be able to get away with wearing some open-toed shoes. As you get into the middle of fall, late October, early November, you're going to want to wear closed-toed shoes, no open-toed shoes at that point. And I would suggest bringing at least one pair of shoes that is waterproof. Should you pack boots when you visit Rome in autumn? Guys, this is really subjective. Personally, I would not bring boots with me if I was visiting Rome in autumn. Boots can take up a lot of room in your luggage, they can weigh a lot. For me, they are more of an accessory item. I don't really think you need boots when you visit Rome in autumn. I would suggest instead, as you get towards the end of autumn, definitely closed-toed shoes, maybe sturdier shoes, something like hiking shoes. You want to be comfortable when you're walking around Rome. And for going out at night, and if you want to be a little bit fashionable, by all means, maybe some short boots, some ankle boots, something like that, but something that will not take up too much room in your luggage. Well guys, I hope this video has helped you figure out how to pack and how to dress when you visit Rome in autumn. If you're coming closer to winter, don't forget to check out my next video all about how to pack when you visit Rome in winter. Check it out.